In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get your boarding pass online on United Airlines. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up either your App Store or your Google Play Store. From here, you'll need to go down to the search bar and go up to search and click in United Airlines, like so. From here, you'll need to go down to United Airlines and either download it or open it up on your smartphone device. From here, it should be doing something like this. Here you'll have access to either register an account or sign into your already existing account, or you can also just continue as a guest. From here, you'll need to go down to the bottom menu and click on trips, and then you can click add a trip. From here, you'll get to write in your confirmation number, or you can also take a picture of it or upload a picture of your confirmation number, and then you can add your last name that you have registered with the trip. From here, you can also add to your device, meaning that you can add it directly to your wallet. And if you want to do it, you can also search travel credits if you want to do that. From here, you'll click next, and then you will get access to your boarding pass on your smartphone device, plus a lot of other information that will make your trip more comfortable. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!